Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for the love, the support. Hey, my beautiful family. Today, I have a quick one to share with you. Every day, Ohanaeze the Digbo, because they make us they talk. Hey, but nevertheless, the purpose where you get progress, the analyst, now to bring all the updates on your doorstep. And that is what I promise you, and that is what I will do. So, I they bring all the analyzing videos, all the update they come here, so that you go also follow along and flow along and know everything when they happen around you and how you go to communicate with your family even when you dey far from them. So my beautiful family, today I said no, let me bring to the notice of these people, because at times when we dey talk some kind of things, some people go say, who tell you like that? So at times I will say, okay, instead you know they ask me who tell me, make I bring her come meet, make I knock her for the head for you. But before we go into the news in details, I really want us to listen to one mazi what this bro said. He hit the nail for the right place, but let me not talk too much. Listen to him and I'll be right back.
Ndị Igbo ndewo o. Biko Igbo ejiri m udo wee bịa. Okwu Nnachikwu ebe Nnachi irute ọkpa tata bụ ebe gbasara Simon Ekpa. Odogo egwulo ụka anya ikuku ekuola anya afọ na fada yi trouser. Ikuku ekuola anya afọ ike ọkụkọ. Odogo egwulo ụka anya ugbu a na Simon Ekpa na-arụ ọrụ dị mma. Odogo egwulo ụka anya ugbu a. Biko ọ bụrụ ike abụ onye Igbo bụ Doubting Thomas ma ọkwa ndị sụrụ Igbo like mgbe anyị nọ n'isi ile eje eti enye ndị DOS ego gị wepụtakwa aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ga aka mmadụ wepụtakwa aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ga aka mmadụ a sị na ọnwa onye kpatara nkọ ahụ si mgbere bịara ori. Biko o dola egwu na ụka anya na onye ji igu ugbu a bụ Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa bụ onye ji igu. Biko ni ka isobe ni Simon Ekpa iche ego gị ịchọ ebe ị ga-eti ego gị jee tiri Simon Ekpa na onye ma bụ ndị na-eme ndị Naịjirịa ka ntị ha mepee ka amala ndị Igbo bụ mmadụ, amala ndị Igbo dị in existence. Ọ Simon Ekpa ya ji igu. Ị na-eje enye ndị ọzọ ego mana na ego anyị na-enye ndị ọzọ ọ bụ ego free. Ọ bụ ego free. Ọ bụ ego free. Simon na-apụta otu nsi apụta na ọpụta otu a na ọgwa nnụ nke onye ihu nkịta akọrọ n'ezi ya n'anya. Ụnọ na-awọchukwu ihe na-eme ugbu a nke ikpeazụ a. Ọkwa ndị niile ni bifo na-akọwa na Simon Ekpa bụ la arụkọ wit ndị Nigeria gọọmenti ọnụ ha emele ọ na-emechiele ha. Simon Ekpa jide ka iji anụ ndị la na ego anụ ụmụaka anyị ego na-ala na ego ka e were edozi mbe ha ma na-eti ụmụaka nga aka jela egbufusi onwe ha. Marakwa na very soon ikonu ga-eju ndị ebula ala adịghị mma n'ala Igbo akpọ ha DOS asịla gịnị ndị ọ bụ ha anya ama ha ndị ha bụ anaghị ezo ezo. Ndị anyị nwere anyị ga-ekwu ọ ya emechakwa agbacha ọsọ agụọ mile.
People that know the truth, people that know what they are saying, people that know what they stands for knew very well that what Ohanaeze the Digbo is doing is wrong. I remember this thing that also happened, and was it not this year? Now the same Ohanaeze the Digbo they say, una no worry at all. Me go rally round Simon Ekpa. We go make sure say we handle everything. Simon Ekpa is our son. Bra bra bra. They go just they wave. Anywhere body wave they go wave. If you wave like this, they go wave. But there is a sensible issue that you need to hear. Somebody just hit another nail for the head. I want you to listen to this, our brother also. And I'll be right back.
Simon Ekpa is from Ebonyi State. He's not doing anything wrong. If Simon Ekpa is not alive today, the Afro agitation would have done what? Gone down. On your call. The Afro agitation. The fire should have been what killed us. The fire of that agitation. But Simon Ekpa is trying to represent him now. He's not doing anything wrong. Because, see, let me tell you, if they succeed on rendering that gentleman from Finland to kill him here, somebody that will be worse than Simon Ekpa will come up. And by then, will say, oh, and even we know this man is an educated man. Oh, he has some, clemency or modesty in his head. Oh, he knows how to be doing this and that. He's being constructive. It is now. Then they should know that this guy is being constructive, diplomatic. Because a mad person will come and represent them if he dies. But to fear, Simon Ekpa will not die.
You see, people that knows exactly what they are saying, they are the ones speaking. You know, say when they catch Nnamdi Kanu, they not even expect say person like Simon Ekpa go come up. That is the beginning of the problem they are having today. So they see the letter, they know say if una like, una do wuru wuru, una say una wan carry Simon Ekpa, una wan do this. This man don tell us say mad person. When e no dey take no for answer, na him go come up. That time they go call dey regret. Hey, I will say we know, just like the way they are shouting and I know in the case of Nnamdi Kanu. If these people really know that after wasting all those money, after the planning, that somebody with Simon Ekpa will spring up, nobody will believe. They have checked everywhere, all angle. They say, I beg you, nobody dey back. I beg you, nobody dey front. I beg you, nobody dey corner, nobody dey middle. But they were so surprised that Simon Ekpa spring up from nowhere, like they not even expect. So what is Ohanaeze saying right now? That, oh, the federal government of Nigeria has wasted too much time, that by now Simon Ekpa would have been in Nigeria. Una think say na say just easy. Una think say na say just easy to just bring person just like that. Even you, there are some people are still on their own. And finally, the response where be say the Biafra Prime Minister respond to Ohanaeze be say, if una make me remember una. Hey, I don't know if you get it. That Ohanaeze they should just stay where they are staying right now. They should just relax themselves. That if you make me remember una, una no so na cup don full. You understand the type of thing that Ohanaeze should not draw his attention to them. That is the Biafra Prime Minister speaking. That Ohanaeze they should just pay, they should just relax. You know the funniest thing, they not just get straight to some more time self they go draw back. So more time when they are making some kind of statement, you will never believe that it's all this Ohanaeze that said, may they can come, may they torchlight and sumo. They are the ones, so they are just confused. But the truth is, like this our brother said, the truth is, if you try and say you can't carry the prime minister, mad person, I go rise up. So it is good for what is good to be done, so that everybody will live happily. If not, with what they are saying. So my beloved family, I got to draw the curtain here. I say make I bring this update called give una, make una still follow up everything back to back, make una still know wetin dey happen, the plan of the people, the mindset of the people, about the Biafra Prime Minister, about Nnamdi Kanu, about the liberation of Biafra, and about everything when they happen for your environment. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analysis. I bring the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.